Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm super excited to dive into a product that could be a game changer for new photographers, videographers and content creators. We're checking out the Ulanzi 40 watt RGB LED video light L024. Let's get right into it and see why this is a game changer. Firstly, right out of the box, you get the bag itself, you get the light itself, and then you do get the diffuser filter, and then at the back here you do get the AC/DC charger adapter. Here's a list of the features. I'll just put it up on screen. Have a read through it and pause the screen if you have to. So let's start with the main product here. As you can see, we do have the 40 watts label right here on the side along with the RGB here. Underneath that, it does show max 50 watts, meaning this light can actually reach up to 50 watts in overclock mode. There are vents on the sides and the top and the bottom for heat dissipation. The size of this literally fits in the palm of my hand and it's pretty compact. I don't have that big of a hands either. It literally is like the size of a coffee mug. That's how compact it is. So just for reference, here you go. As you can see, a mug right here. Similar in size. At the front here, we got the lamp beads and the heat sink around it, followed by the mini Bowens mount. You can simply place the diffuser dome in here, then rotate it to lock it in place. There is no tactile feedback when you lock it, but once you release the turn, you'll hear a click. The light does come with a standard diffuser dome with a silicone head. It does the job well in my opinion, and I'll demonstrate it shortly. So the Ulanzi light does have a 1/4" screw, so this should fit most tripods, hopefully, or you could get an additional mount just to fix this in, but I think this is compatible with a lot of the tripods out there. Moving to the back here, we've got the dials and the LED display. It's very straightforward and I didn't even need the manual to use this, which is super intuitive. There is a power switch right in the middle here at the bottom, and a DC 19 volt charging port and a USB Type-C charging port with a power delivery of 65 watts. Both can be used while the light is charging, but the brightness will be capped at 40 watts during the charging. We do have 3 modes here. We got the CCT mode for adjusting the color temperature from warm to cool, as you can see. And then we do have RGB color selection, which you just hold down in the center here. So in RGB mode, and then you could just rotate this to go around the 360 color spectrum. And then if you just tap it, it gives you the percentage of the color saturation that you want. So you can have it faded or you have it very strong at 100%. And then to the FX mode, you just hold it down, and then that will take you to the FX mode with 20 preset lighting effects, perfect for photography or video. You can just switch between them. So I'll go through it real quick. We got the cop car, we got the ambulance, fire engine, lightning, fireworks, TV, candle, party, faulty bulb, pulsing, strobe, RGB strobe, paparazzi, emergency, HL beam, red flash, green flash, blue flash, HSI slow, HSI fast, so that just switches between all the colors. And then back to number 1. What I really like is the eco mode. So eco mode is at 1% right now, which is helping you reduce the brightness to 1%, which is great for saving energy between shoots. You can easily just tap it again on the right dial, and this should bring you back to the percentage or brightness level that it was already on. So up to 88%. So if you have at 100%, you could just go in power saving mode in eco and takes it down to 1%. And then when you're ready to come back to the shoot, you could just press it again and it takes it back to 99 or 100 or whatever you had it on. So if you were to hold down the button here, it would take you into overclock mode at 50 watts, and this goes from 101 to 125. So this is max performance. So on to the next thing, I'm going to demonstrate how to put the diffuser on. So first we got the diffuser dome, and all you do is just attach it on where the 3 mounts is. You just slip it in, and then you just turn, and then it does lock it in place here. I do have the Ulanzi ASL30, which is the mini Bowens mount lantern softbox, as an extra accessory. It's an additional cost, but it does complement this light setup really well. This is the one I'll most likely use the most often, but honestly I'd love to get the other 2 options at some point. The portability and practicality of this light makes it perfect for a variety of setups, so having more accessories would definitely expand this versatility. Like this, it's pretty easy. All you do is just push down real hard, and then inside here in the metal, if I could get it, you could just loop it on. You can literally see, all you do, it's going to be difficult to see, but if you just loop the metal wire across the plastic at the bottom, it should just lock in place. Just attach this same head again to the light. So just fix this in if I can align it properly, and there you go, that's it, locked in place. And all you need to do is just switch it on, and that's your softbox right here. Very nice. You do also have the Ulanzi ASD30 octagonal softbox with mini Bowens mount and grid, which is really handy to focus on a specific area or your specific subject that you're looking to shoot for. And then you do have the Ulanzi 4-leaf barn doors with mini Bowens mount as well, so this creates a stronger directed light to your subject as well, which is really good. I'll put both of them on screen so you can see what they look like. And then you can get the Ulanzi MT79 portable adjustment light stand, which is the tripod basically for this mount as well, all available to fully complete the light setup bundle. I do have my own Ulanzi tripod, which is the MT44 extendable vlog tripod. This is for my Fuji camera but works well for this light as well. So on to the pros and cons. A major pro of this light is its strength, especially considering its compact size. With the different attachments, you can create various light setups and different scenarios, which is a fantastic feature. This versatility is a big plus for me. One of the reasons I really like this light is its portability. It's so compact, making it super easy to carry around with for different shoots. As for the cons, the only issue I've noticed is the silicone diffuser here. It sometimes creates a ring effect with the light. I'm not entirely sure why there are small little gaps in the silicone, but maybe for ventilation. It's not a big deal, but it's something to be aware of. So if I could zoom out here and just show you the light here, and you can see, you will notice the rings. So if I bump it up, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is all the little small holes. I mean, it's not entirely a big deal, but it's just another thing to be aware of. But as the more you take it back and the more you move it away, it's less visible, but you do notice it just slightly. There's another thing I want to mention is the noise from the cooling fans. Some might find it a bit loud, but I think it's quite moderate for the light, for the size of its light. It's just something to keep in mind as well. So I'll bring the microphone up close so you can hear it. So yeah, hopefully you can hear it, and this is the microphone just a bit away. So I'm not sure if it picks it up, but yeah, you get my point. So on to the pricing. The price starts around £91 here in the UK for the light and softbox, which is a great deal right now. There are different combinations and options available, so you could choose the right one that suits your needs best. Keep in mind that the prices may vary depending on your region and currency as well, so be sure to check accordingly. I'll leave links down below in the description for you to check out. So in conclusion, the Ulanzi 40W RGB LED video light L024 offers great power and versatility in a compact and portable package. With its wide range of lighting modes and accessories like the softbox, it's perfect for various creative setups. Plus the price point, especially with the current deals, makes it an excellent option for new creators who are looking for professional quality lighting without breaking the bank. While there are minor drawbacks like the silicones, diffusers, ring effect and some fan noise, they're not entirely deal breakers. Overall, it's a solid choice for both beginners and professionals looking for an affordable yet capable lighting solution. Thank you to the team at AliExpress for sponsoring today's videos. All the links will be left down below, so make sure to take advantage of their current sales and offers. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment or ask any questions you may have. Thanks again for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much.